Here's a new 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. Standout looks, standout capabilities, so you can stand out on the job site. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, auto dimming rear view mirror, auto dimming mirrors, dual zone climate control, intercooled turbo V8 engine, trailer brake controller, electronic shift on the fly, and automatic transmission. Kelley Blue Book explains whether purchasing for commercial construction, agriculture, or recreational towing, if your needs are truly heavy duty, you will likely find those needs met with the Chevrolet Silverado HD, which offers all of the virtues with few of the vices normally associated with a heavy duty truck. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Hall Automotive. More cars. Great people. Hall Chevrolet Chesapeake, a MileOne company, is minutes off I-264 or I-664. Easy to get to from all of Hampton roads.